The courtroom was already tense when the case was called. A black woman in her early 30s stood alone at the defense table, hands folded, expression calm but alert. She wore a simple suit, nothing flashy, nothing that demanded attention. Across from her, the prosecutor shuffled papers confidently while the judge looked down from the bench with clear impatience. The charge was theft. According to the accusation, she had illegally accessed company funds while working as a consultant. The judge barely glanced at the evidence before speaking, his tone sharp and dismissive. He questioned her intelligence, her credibility, and her character. Every sentence felt less like a question and more like a verdict already decided. People in the gallery exchanged looks. Some nodded as if the outcome was obvious. The woman listened without interruption. She didn't argue. She didn't raise her voice. She waited. When the judge finished his lecture, he leaned back and asked if she had anything to say before sentencing recommendations were discussed. She slowly looked up. "Yes, Your Honor," she said calmly. "Before this court proceeds, there's something you should know." The judge sighed, clearly annoyed. "Make it quick." She took a breath. "Judge, you may want to reconsider how this case moves forward, because, as of this morning, you are officially under federal investigation." The room froze. A murmur spread through the courtroom. The prosecutor's pen slipped from his hand. The judge's confident expression vanished. The woman continued, her voice steady. She revealed that she was not just a consultant, but a licensed forensic auditor working with the Federal Oversight Task Force. The case against her had been part of a larger sting operation targeting internal corruption, including falsified warrants, biased rulings, and illegal financial ties connected to the very court they were standing in. She calmly presented documents, signed subpoenas, federal credentials, and recorded evidence already submitted to authorities. Security officers quietly entered the courtroom. The judge tried to speak, but no words came out. Within minutes, federal agents escorted him off the bench. The courtroom erupted in shock. The charges against the woman were dismissed on the spot. The prosecutor sat in stunned silence. Porters rushed for the doors. She gathered her files. The woman turned briefly toward the gallery, not with arrogance, but quiet resolve. She had never needed to defend herself emotionally. The truth did that for her. The story ended with one powerful reminder echoing through the courtroom. Never confuse silence with weakness.